Welcome to Sirappu Suvai. Today we'll make very tasty mac and cheese. Mac and cheese can be made with any pasta. I am using penne pasta. I have taken 2 cups of penne pasta. You may use elbow pasta also. I have boiled about more than a liter of water, and when the water is boiling, I have added 2 teaspoons of salt and 2 teaspoons of oil. You may use any oil for that. It's better to use sunflower oil. Now when the water boils, add the pasta to it, and the pasta should cook for about 10 minutes. It need not be al dente. When it is soft and we bake it after that, it will be very nice. Now I have taken about 4 cloves of garlic and cut them to small pieces. Now check the pasta if it is soft. In 10 minutes it will be well cooked, but still it is better to check for the softness. Now when you press the pasta, it will break. It should be soft like this, only then it will be very nice to eat. So once it is soft like this, you can drain the pasta. Drain the pasta and do not drain all the water. Save about a cup of water. You may need it later. So the pasta will be soft like this. Now we have to make the sauce. For the sauce, place a pot on the stove and take about 1 cup of milk. Boil the milk and then make the sauce. Now when the milk is boiling, take a medium sized onion and cut it to fine pieces. When the milk is hot, you can see small bubbles in the corner. Switch off the stove and in a pot add about 20 to 30 grams of butter. It is always better to use butter for mac and cheese. It will be very tasty, but if you don't use butter, you may add 1 tablespoon of oil. Add the finely chopped garlic to the butter and saute. The garlic should not change color, but it should cook well. So keep it on medium and saute the garlic. When the garlic is aromatic, add the finely chopped onion and saute the onion also. The onion also should not change color, so keep the flame on medium and saute for about 2 to 3 minutes. When the onion and garlic in the butter will be very aromatic. Now add 1 tablespoon of maida and saute well for about 2 to 3 minutes. When the maida is well fried, add the hot milk to it and stir immediately. Keep stirring until the maida is well mixed with the milk, otherwise it will form lumps and the sauce will also not get the required consistency. So saute well, mix very well until the maida is well mixed. It will start to boil. At that time you can add about 3/4 teaspoon of salt and half a teaspoon of pepper powder for the sauce. Mix well and add 1 pinch of nutmeg powder. You can grate the nutmeg or use nutmeg powder. Use only 1 pinch. If you use more than that, it will be very strong. So add only 1 pinch of nutmeg powder and mix well. Now add about 2 handful of grated mozzarella cheese. Add the cheese and mix well. When the cheese melts in the milk and the sauce boils, it will be very tasty and the sauce will also thicken. So keep stirring until the cheese melts and the sauce becomes a little thick. Now add the drained pasta to it. If you like it to be very saucy on top, you can add the pasta water and boil for another minute or 2 and then bake it. I am not using more water. I have placed the pasta in a baking tray and add about 2 handfuls of grated cheese on top of it. If you don't have an oven, you can place a kadai on the stove, keep a stand and keep the pasta in a plate and add the cheese, cover it and leave it for about 10 to 15 minutes when it will bake well. Now in the oven, bake the pasta in 200 degrees Celsius for about 10 to 15 minutes. When the pasta will be golden on top and it will be well cooked. This will be very tasty. This will be this consistency if you don't add water. If you want the sauce to be on top, then you have to add the pasta water. I like it to be like this, so I have made it like this. This pasta is very tasty and children will like it and everyone will like it. It's easy to make. So I am sure everyone will make this, enjoy it and comment. If you are watching my channel for the first time, do subscribe, press the bell icon and choose the all option and you will get notification for all the videos that I post. You can make the recipes, enjoy and comment. Your comment is a great support to the channel. So I expect everyone to try this recipe and comment and let me know how you liked it. This is very easy to make, very quick and very tasty. Let's meet in the next video.